This vacation is amazing, right?
Yeah, Dad. I love the ocean.
Daughter falls into the water.
Ah, Dad, help me.
What? Oh no, she fell in... Wait, oh no, it's a shark. Stay calm, I'm going in.
Rocket Rat dives in as sharks approach.
Dad, hurry. They're getting closer.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Punches the shark, knocking it back.
You think you can hurt my daughter? Not a chance.
Marlu and more sharks surround them.
Dad, there are even more now.
Double tap the screen to unlock Iron Man armor.
Quick, tap twice to equip my armor. Super armor mode activated. Take this!
Grabs daughter and bursts out of the water.
Dad, you saved me.
Don't be scared, I'll always protect you.
Like and subscribe to make Rocket Rat even stronger.